During Jesus' time, Samaritans are somewhat rejected, especially a Samaritan woman.
It's a very sad thing that I have been despised. So I tried to help them.
The woman was very sad. She didn't like the way the people are treating her.
Oh my God!
Bubble gum.
Would there be anyone good enough not to reject a Samaritan like me?
The woman looked teary-eyed. She tried to ignore them and pretend that she didn't see nor hear them. But still, she cannot hide.